Hi, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to TUTOR LOKESH channel. So in this video we are going to learn about the particular question in trigonometry. If 3 cos theta is equal to 5 sin theta, if 3 cos theta is equal to 5 sin theta, then find the value of 5 sin theta minus 2 secant cube theta plus 2 cos theta by 5 sin theta plus 2 secant cube theta minus 2 cos theta. So it's not that easy. We can directly solve this question, but we should be looking some like practical things, and we should solve for a single theta. So what I'm telling is, here it was given that 3 cos theta is equal to 5 sin theta, and to find all other remaining ratios we should be able to find either the angle, or we should be able to find either a single ratio. Means that we should be given either sin theta or cos theta or tan theta. If any one of it is given, we can find the remaining ratios by using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, but in the same way it was not given directly, but in fact it was given that 3 cos theta is equal to 5 sin theta. So whenever this type of questions are given, 3 cos theta is equal to 5 sin theta, you should solve in such a way that you should be arriving with a single trigonometric ratio. See here, I'll be solving here. 3 cos theta is equal to 5 sin theta. Now if I send this cos theta to that side, it will go into the denominator, and similarly if I send this 5 to that side, it will go to the denominator. Okay, so that means it will become 3 by 5 is equal to sin theta by cos theta. I am repeating once again, since I want this ratio in a single term, like single ratio, either sin theta should be there, or cos theta should be there, or tan theta should be there. By seeing the question, in the question it was clearly there was two ratios, sin and cos, but if we have two ratios, we can't do anything. Okay, we can't do anything. We should be able to convert the question into a single ratio, single trigonometric ratio. So by seeing the question, it was clearly given as sin theta and cos theta. So now using my thinking or my brain, I am converting this equation into a single equation, and only that I can convert. The possible situation here is I can convert into tan theta simply by sending this cos theta to this side. So that will become 3 by 5 is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So therefore tan theta is equal to 3 by 5. Tan theta is equal to 3 by 5. Now it was very easy. Now it is very easy. See here, tan theta is equal to 3 by 5, and by the definition of tan theta, or the mnemonic so cap tova, tan theta is nothing but opposite by adjacent. So that means opposite side is 3, adjacent side is 5, and we have to find the hypotenuse. We have to find the hypotenuse. Okay, opposite and adjacent are given, we have to find the hypotenuse, and here we will use the Pythagoras theorem, which is opposite square plus adjacent square is equal to hypotenuse square. That means 3 square plus 5 square is equal to x square. So 9 plus 25 is equal to x square. That means x square is equal to 34. So x is equal to root of 34. So the hypotenuse is here to 34. Now in the question it was given that 5 sin theta minus 2 secant cube theta plus 2 cos theta by something, right? See here, I'll solve it in a very easy manner. We have to find the value of 5 sin theta minus 2 secant cube theta plus 2 cos theta divided by 5 sin theta plus 2 secant cube theta minus 2 cos theta. So that is equal to 5 into sin theta value I can write as 3 by root 34, because sin theta is nothing but the ratio of opposite by hypotenuse. Because anyway we got this equation right, so cat tova. So from this thing I can write sin theta as opposite by hypotenuse, and opposite is here it is 3, and hypotenuse here it is root 34. So I can write as 5 into 3 by root 34 minus 2 into secant cube theta. Secant cube theta, secant is nothing but reciprocal of cos. So cos is adjacent by hypotenuse and secant is hypotenuse by adjacent. It will be root 34 by 5 whole cube plus 2 into cos theta means 5 by root 34 by divided by 5 into 3 by root 34 plus 2 into root 34 by 5 whole cube minus 2 into 5 by root 34. So that will become 15 by root 34. Here it is 10 by root 34 because anyway 2 5 is 10, right? So now I will write both these terms as a single term. See here, this term and this term I will write as a single term, and I mean you will realize why I'll be writing like that. Okay, see here, 15 by root 34 plus 10 by root 34 minus 2 into root 34 whole cube. I can write as root 34 into root 34 into root 34 by 5 cube is nothing but 125. Similarly, in the denominator I'll get 15 by root 34 minus 10 by root 34. 15 by root 34 minus 10 by root 34 plus 2 into root 34 into root 34 into root 34 by 125. So that will become 15 plus 10 is 25 by root 34 minus 2 into, so I'll write as 34 into 34, root 34 into root 34 as single 34, because root x into root x will become x, because it will become root x into root x will become root x square, and x square and square root will get cancelled and will be lefting only with x. So 34 into 34, root 34 into root 34 will become 34, and we are left with one more root 34 by 125 minus divided by 15 minus 10 is 5 by root 34. Since the denominators are same here, I'll do directly subtraction, plus 2 into 34 into root 34 by 125. So now what I'll do is I'll just do the cross multiplication, because anyway here the denominators are different, so I have to do this cross multiplication. See here, I'll just do here, but don't bother about the question. So ee question ki sambandham ledu, okay, because I thought it would be sufficient in one slide. So yeah, okay, now I'll continue here. 25 by root 34 minus 2 into 34 into root 34 by 125 divided by 5 by root 34 plus 2 into 34 into root 34 by 125. So that will become, we have to do cross multiplication, because here the denominators are different. So I'll do the cross multiplication. So like this. So 225 into 125 will become what you call 3125, because I can write 25 into 125. So if I do the multiplication, I'll get 3125, or I can do it a very smart way. So this 125 I can write as 25 into 5, and since this is a product of three numbers, I'll multiply the first thing. 25 times 25 is 625, and 625 is 3125 minus root 34 into root 34 will become 34. So here you'll get 2 into 34 into one more 34 by root 34 into 125, and I've told you how to do the cross multiplication for fractions. It is first thing first, I mean this number into this number minus this number into this number. That means numerator of first thing into denominator of second thing, in minus or minus or plus or minus whatever it may be, into numerator of first thing second thing into denominator of second thing by the product of the denominators. So similarly here I'll get 5 into 125, it is 625, plus 2 into 34 into 34 by root 34 into 125. So here both the denominators gets cancelled, and the answer is 3125 minus 34 square into 2. And 34 square, if you solve it by using a shortcut, so 34 square, it is 16 less than 50, so I have to subtract 16 from 25, it will be 9, and 16 square is 256, so the answer is 1156. And if I multiply with 2, I'll get 2312. So 2312 by 625 plus 2312, so that will become 3215 minus 2312, 309. So 903 by 312 plus 625 will become 937. So 2937. And if I solve it by using the if I solve it by the calculator, I'll get 903 by 2937. So both numbers are divisible by 3, so I can get the answer as yes, so 0.37, but we should not express it as a decimal, so just divide it with 3. So 903 divided by 2937. Fraction is 301 by 979. 301 by 979 is the correct answer. Yeah, I mean it doesn't involve any like formula based or something else. It's a pure mathematical solving problem. There is nothing much concept in this problem. You just have to be concentrating on the solving of the problem, solvation of the problem, because it is definitely confusing, and students who are highly focused can easily get the marks, and who are not highly focused, they should improve their focus and concentrate till the end of the problem to get the exact answer. So that is what we are expecting from this kind of questions, right? Thank you.